Yeah, I had it on. Yeah. Sorry, that wasn't your fault. That was my fault. That was me making things up. Oh, I'm adding her. She's gonna jump this
Hey.
Now she's coming out over the cross-country jump here, right? Okay. I'm just trying to make sure I'm not going to be in front of you. Actually, I wasn't really. I wasn't trying to tell you. I was making sure. Okay. I just wanted to make sure I wasn't going to be standing in her way. That was a long spot.
So he took 2 long ones, and then you said, oh, maybe he's going to take a long. You were so good with your body, and then you jumped ahead. Keep being good with your body.
Fine.
Nice. Good.
She's coming down that bank over there, guys. So make sure you're not in the way.
Okay, you were going a little too fast at that, huh? Go do that again.
He's awesome.
It's just like
Sherry is loving him. She's having fun. She's been working with him every day, and I don't know if you noticed, but he seems to be doing a little solid.
Again, but trot it this time, okay? Trot, quiet. Yeah, there you go. We don't want to ever teach him to run and stuff. We want him to really get it right.
He doesn't even hesitate.
Good job. Pat him.